September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me.
Hello friends, this is Rohit Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Roohankit. Today in this video we will be discussing about 8 ways to make a personal impact on others' life through our personality. Okay, so do watch this video till the end. Now friends who haven't subscribed for my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you like the video. If you don't like, then it's no problem, but if you like the video, if you like the content of the video, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start the video. The first way to have an impact on other person's life is take the initiative. Now how will you take the initiative? You have to stamp your mark. Have the self-confidence to introduce yourself first to the other people before they make their first move. So take the initiative first of all to introduce yourself, what you are in front of others before they introduce themselves. That was the first way. Second way is your expressions matter a lot. You have to smile consciously. Your smile, your expression will attract a lot of people towards you to have a word with you, to communicate with you. They will approach to you, to talk to you, to speak to you. Third way is names. Remember the names of the people whom you meet and try to take the name while you are communicating. That shows that you are having intimate relationship with the other one. You are interested in talking to the other people. This shows that you are taking interest in other people. Showing that you are aware and you are taking interest of the other people will help a lot in making your impression in front of others. The fourth way is your voice. What type of voice you are having. Don't speak too quietly. Use intonation and variety of your tone in communicating. Do give emphasis on some words. Try to lower your voice sometimes and try to raise your voice sometimes, but not too loudly. Communicate dynamism by speaking with all your energy. Fifth way is proper eye contact. Maintain proper eye contact with the person whom you are speaking. This shows that you are taking interest and you are aware what other person is saying, and then accordingly you are responding. Sixth way is stance. Whenever you are walking into a room anywhere, walk with the proper stride, with the wide shoulders, chin up, chest straight, stand tall, walk calmly and slowly in a proud manner. This shows that you are a very confident person and it will allow others to have focus on you, your personality, the way you are walking. Seventh way to make a personal impact on other person's life is get involved. Whenever you are attending some function, ceremony or office functions, try to get involved with other individuals. Though it is against your nature, but then also prepare mentally that you have to communicate with everyone, you have to be social with everyone, you have to involve with other people also. You are the part of that particular group. So maintain yourself mentally to get involved with social groups. And the last one is, eighth way is hands. Don't be afraid of using hands with your communication because they enforce your points. Whenever you are speaking something, the hands movement will assist you in enforcing your points to other people. They try to communicate a lot about what you want to say, what you want to communicate, the idea. They inject hands movements, inject in your manner. They communicate a lot. They represent the non-verbal communication, what you are communicating with verbal, with your words. They emphasize that words through non-verbal communication into other people's mind. So friends, these were the 8 ways to have a personal impact on other people. If you like this video, do give thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do share this video as much as you can in your Facebook and WhatsApp group. Give me feedback in my comment section how you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And I request you, give me suggestions on what all topics you want the video from me. I promise you to make the video on that topic. Till then, have a nice day. Good day.